Good morning, welcome to the allotment. It's Friday the 27th of July today, I think, and today is supposed to be, well, it's only 20 degrees at the moment. It's supposed to be the hottest day of the year so far, and possibly it's going to set an all-time record. So I've just come down. I've been doing a little bit of watering, just so that things get some water before it gets too hot. As you can see, quite a lot of areas at the moment, which I think I've mentioned in previous videos, they're just too hard, rock hard, like concrete in places to do anything with. So really just kind of waiting to get some rain, I think. We did have a brief shower last Friday night, Saturday morning, but it didn't make a jot of difference. We haven't had any substantial rain for 2 months now. So things are in dire need of being watered fairly frequently, which is quite hard work actually. But otherwise things are doing pretty well. Sweet corn is doing okay. My neighbours, I think I've said before, got hit by the badgers. Mine, I don't think, has reached the level of ripeness that they like yet. So fingers crossed we might get some, and hopefully this cage will do what it's there to do. Cucumbers are doing really well. We've had numerous cucumbers. I don't know how many we've had. Unfortunately, lettuce is just going to seed. It's just the hot weather. Leeks are doing okay. I've got 2 pumpkins coming along, which I put the seed out for way back in the spring, and they've only just germinated. Beetroot, I mean, again, this area here, this was cleared last weekend. There was, I think, beetroot and radish, and we'd eaten all of the beetroot, so I just cleared what was left. And this is the next sort of crop of beetroot, and there are a few in there that are almost ready to be dug, and I'll probably dig some over this weekend. The early lettuce is still holding on, surprisingly, but as you can see, also bolting and going to seed. And the rainbow chard's doing pretty well. Take a shortcut across here. Runner beans are doing well. We're getting regular harvests. In fact, I probably need to pick a few of those today or tomorrow. And then the squash. This is the other variety of patty pan that I've got. In fact, I'll stick a picture up with this when I upload it, so that you can see I've got one of the 3 different varieties together. So I did get at least one of each, and then these are the little mini cucumbers, about the size of not quite the size of a tennis ball, but not far off. So they're doing pretty well. But otherwise, we're just trying to survive the heat at the moment. Going to try and stake the sunflowers this weekend, because I figure had all this hot weather, sooner or later we're going to get a storm, and they're getting to the size now where they may well end up getting blown over or damaged. But we'll put some stakes or some kind of framework there to give them a bit of extra support. They're about 5.5 feet at the moment, I would guess. That's about my head height and not quite over the top of my head. So anyway, that's just a short update from the plot. I hope wherever you are, you're having a good day, and I'll speak to you again soon. And thank you for watching. Take care now. Bye bye.